What's going on, world? Coming back with you again with another video. Club Cash Funds. There's another way you can access your free Club Cash Funds landing page with an access code. Finally got my access code generated through the owner, John Savvy. On this day, August 16th, 2023, come back with you again with another video about Club Cash Fund. Club Cash Fund was down for a whole year because due to a system breach. Something happened to the system. I'm an old member for Club Cash Fund. I was still promoting Club Cash Fund and my link wasn't working until John, the owner, reached out to me via email and I responded back. And he told me what happened to the system. It had a problem with the system for a whole year from 2 years ago, the pandemic time. So yeah, Club Cash Funds, all you do is request a kit and you will get a simple yellow envelope in the mail with a bunch of names on there and instruction how you can get started. That's simple with Club Cash Funds. And this is another way you can gain access to the landing page from Club Cash Fund by you having your own personal access code coded to you. This is my access code. If you see that number, you process the access code, it will lead you to a landing page to request your kit. I'm going to put my access code right here and you go from there. Access code, access that code, and you go from there. After I'm done with this video, I will put in all the necessary access code, links, descriptions about how you can obtain your own special yellow envelope by mail, by regular mail. It's very simple and easy how to promote Club Cash Funds. All you do is promote. All you do is promote your Club Cash Fund link and you're good to go. It's that simple, it won't hurt the pockets. It's free to request a kit. It's really free to request a kit of Club Cash Funds. You go from there. I can't stop stressing this. Keep saying the same thing over and over again, that we need to work together as a whole, not against each other. Yes, Club Cash Funds is a simple opportunity you can promote. All you do is request a kit and promote like what I do. And get your access code like this one, like this number right here. Get your access code and you are good to go and promote. That's it. Promote. That's simple. That's how you work from home. You promote your business for free. If you don't have no promotion money, at least you can do it for free. You can promote until you get access to get your financial promotion money, and you can go to the next level. Yeah, this is organic for me for free. This is what I can afford. Because I don't see no return, not yet. I can't stop promoting. I believe in myself. I really believe in myself, who I am. If you don't believe in yourself, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to say. You have to be able to believe in yourself that you can do anything you want if you put work into it. If you work hard, you'll get your results. If you work hard, you will see your compensation. If you work hard, nobody can stop you. If you work hard, you know who you are. If you work hard, still nobody can stop you. If you work hard, you do what you do best. Promote. I commend you and I respect you for who you are. That you are trying. That you're not telling yourself, making excuses. I can't do this. I can't do that. What is that? I'm too lazy to promote anything. I don't know what to do. I don't want to put in the work. I commend you if you don't make no excuses. I respect you for that, whoever you are. that want to join any one of my businesses. I respect you, and I will help you in the back end if you decide you want to come under me. I promise you that. You will get signups by me. The way I'm promoting, I've been getting signups lately because I've been promoting, I believe in myself, who I am. If you don't believe, how do you know you can be the best you can be if you don't even try? Yes, if you don't try, how do you know you can be the best you can be? The non-business owner out there, how do you know you can be the best you can be if you don't try? That is the key word today. If you don't try, how do you know you can be the best you can be? That is the big question I'm asking these non-business owners out here. Still looking, still saying, I don't know, everything's still a scam, I'm lazy, I'm making excuses, postcard don't work, flyer business don't work. How do you know if you don't work if you never promote postcard business and flyer business? How do you know that? Non-business owners. Excuses going out the window. If you don't try, how do you know you can be the best you can be? That is the big question. Yes, that is the big question. So again, this is about Club Cash Fund on this day, August 16th, 2023. How you can gain you can use your access code by you putting your access code and processing your access code and going to the landing page, whoever you're promoting to. So this is my access code right there. If you see that number, just embed this in the access code department and you're good to go. Yes, you are good to go. And the system will take care of everything. John will send you your necessary paperwork that you want to join Club Cash Fund. It's free to request a kit. You're not joining yet until you follow the instruction on the paperwork. Then you join. You will get your website for free. I promise you that. You will get your website for free. Actually, when you join Club Cash Fund, you have to follow the instruction on the paperwork, on the yellow envelope that John sent you. He spends a lot of money on stamps and leads to help his business grow his Club Cash Fund business. He's spending money too. He's really spending money too. So there's really nothing to say. It's just get aboard, non-business owner out there, get on board or something. Get your access code activated by Club Cash Fund, and John will take care of everything. Follow the instructions. If you know how to read, follow the instructions and go from there. Easy. All right, I'm coming back with you again with another video. Thank you.